Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. The VN feet exercise is a great way to get used to using our legs to rotate in and outwards. Now, as we're demonstrating here, we're using symmetry. So we're taking those feet and we're pivoting them to get toes facing towards each other, knees knocking together, and then rotating again until the heels come together and the knees point outwards. You should have a nice diamond shape between the knees. Now, a good stage to take in between is to get used to finding parallel feet, neutral feet in between. So we go toes together, neutral, heels together, neutral, toes, neutral, heels, neutral. This way you'll be able to make sure that no matter which skill you're practicing, you can on demand find the correct angles of your feet and legs for whichever skill you're trying to achieve. The quality of our symmetry in this movement is incredibly important. So take the time to ensure you get your heels together with an equal spread side to side of the toes, and then rotate those legs, toes towards one another. You'll feel your knees come together to touch each time that you change toes together, heels together. Having a slight variation, we go from toes in to parallel, to turned out to parallel, making a distinction: turned in, parallel, turned out. Let's add knee bend. So we turn out and bend, turn in and bend, turn out and bend, turn in and bend. This is a wonderfully simple exercise to wake up the muscles responsible for rotating our legs.